While exploring the Kentucky Bourbon Trail, we decided to take a break from distillery tours and bourbon tastings and embrace our love of trains.
And that meant hopping aboard my old Kentucky dinner train in Bardstown, Kentucky, the bourbon capital of the world. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This will let you join us on our journey.
We booked the weekday lunch excursion, a 2-hour ride through the gorgeous Kentucky countryside, complete with a 3-course meal in a fully restored 1940s dining car.
Check-in starts 1 hour before departure. And here's a pleasant surprise. These trains actually leave on time, unlike Amtrak.
There's plenty of parking at the depot, and the check-in process was quick and smooth. Even with a line out the door, we had our tickets in under 10 minutes. The tickets tell you exactly where to sit, car and table number included.
Before boarding, we checked out the bar. No surprise here, it was bourbon-focused and very well stocked. I went with the Woodford Whistle cocktail.
I opted for a flight of 4 local bourbons, a Town Branch barrel pick, a Elijah Craig toasted barrel, a Rittenhouse bottle and bond, and a 125.5 proof Booker's bourbon.
The boarding process was smooth and organized. They board by car and table number. While we waited our turn to board, we browsed the gift shop, which featured branded apparel along with railroad-themed merchandise.
All the tables seat 4, but you can pay extra for a private table. We actually enjoy meeting fellow travelers. We shared a table with a father and son from South America. The conversation was free-flowing and interesting.
Right at noon, we pulled out of the station, led by 2 vintage EMD FP7A locomotives from 1950, operated by R.J. Corman. When not leading these dining cars, these engines haul freight cars in the area. First course was a summer golden spike salad. For the main, we both chose the white wine garlic tilapia. For dessert, he went with the Derby pie, and I had the peach cobbler, both with a side of vanilla ice cream. You can check out the available selections on their website. We will put a link in the description below.
The food was tasty, not Michelin star level, but that's not really the point. The stars of the show are definitely the vintage train and the Kentucky scenery.
The route takes you about an hour out, then the train reverses and heads back to Bardstown. We passed by several distilleries, including Jim Beam and Sazerac, and got a real feel for the region. We even got a glimpse of Czechoslovakia, or at least the woods of Claremont near the Jim Beam distillery that played the part of Czechoslovakia in Bill Murray's movie Stripes.
Would we recommend my old Kentucky Bourbon Train?
Let's be honest, it's a tourist trap. But it's a tourist trap worth visiting. At around $100 a ticket, plus alcohol and tips. It's not cheap.
Still, if you love classic train travel, bourbon, and unique experiences, this one checks all the boxes. The food was extremely good, service was excellent, and the crowd? Mostly train enthusiasts who were loving every second.
We'd absolutely do it again, but it would not be an every visit activity.
Next time, we will probably opt for the dinner train, which features a 4th course.
If you are interested in experiencing my old Kentucky dinner train for yourself, we will put a link in the description below. The train operates all year round, but the schedule and menu vary by season. In addition to the lunch and dinner excursions, they offer various themed excursions throughout the year.